Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off a sleep focus on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the control center. Next, tap on focus. Then from the menu, tap on sleep. This will allow you to turn on or turn off sleep focus. Now you can tap on the more button on the right hand side. This will expand the menu, and so here sleep focus will be activated automatically based on the sleep schedule set in health. So if you want to further configure how sleep will turn on or turn off, you can go into settings, and in your health app you can choose how you can schedule your sleep focus to turn on or turn off. And if you go into settings, you can also choose people and apps, how they can send you notifications, or how you can disallow them to send you notifications. Tapping on options, in here you can choose what to show on the lock screen during this focus, and if you want to hide or show notification badges. And here for silence notifications, you can choose always or while your phone is locked. And that's it. Limited options for sleep focus. And if you look at other focus, it has more options. The reason being is because the sleep focus will be different to other focus. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.